All right, so our graph that we have here, it says it represents the value of a refrigerator over time. It's called the resale value of the refrigerator. So when you buy an appliance like that, you pay the original price for it, and then over time, if you wanted to say sell it, the value of it would decrease because it's been used for so much time. So what this graph is showing you, that the value of the refrigerator decreases as time goes on. The longer you own it, the less it's going to be worth. So we have the money is our dependent variable. How much you're going to get for the refrigerator depends on how long you've owned the refrigerator and used it. So the years are on the x-axis and the money is on the y. And our first question that we're asked for this is, how much did the refrigerator cost when it was originally purchased? So if you're looking at it at time 0, how much did it cost? And the answer is it cost $600. Okay, the ordered pair would be 0 years, $600. Okay, now we see that it is decreasing. This line, as x gets bigger, y gets smaller. So looking at this right here, this is a negative slope. It is linear, so there's a constant stair step happening here. We call that stair step the rate of change. And so we can find the one rate of change that this graph shows by simply finding the slope, the m value. To get the m value, you need 2 ordered pairs. You need 2 because this is not a proportional graph. If it was a proportional graph, it would have gone through 0, 0 and been linear, and we'd only need 1 ordered pair. We need an x and a y, and to find it, we would divide y by x, and that would be our rate of change. Or just put y over x for our rate of change, but this is not proportional. So that is why we need 2 ordered pairs to find the slope. So the other ordered pair that I can easily access on this graph is right here. If I try to pick numbers that don't hit a point exactly, I'm going to be estimating that slope. You might be super close to it, but these are all estimates because you got to guess what the x value is, and it's a decimal at some of these points. So find one that actually hits on a point, and the one that hits on a point is 200 for the y, the money, over 9 years, and the other one that hits on a point is the 0, 600. So now I'm going to come over here and I'm just going to write my 2 ordered pairs so that I can see them. This one is 9 for time. Remember, years is x. And the cost after 9 years, what you could get for it if you were to sell it, it's worth $200. All right, so now we need to find the slope. Remember, it's the change in the y, in this case the money, change in money over time. The run is years. Change in money over the change in years. To find change, we just look over here and we say, hey, how much did our years change? They went up by 9 years. How much in between these 2 points did the money change? It went down 400. So our rate is down 400. That's the money, down $400 every 9 years. So that would be the rate of change. That's one way to express it. As a unit rate, you would express it as it goes down, and when you divide that, you get 4 for 44.44 for repeating per year. And when you think about that, it's money, so we're going to round it. The negative sign comes before your dollar sign, and it's $44.44 per year. So that's how much your refrigerator's value decreases each year. You lose $44.44 each year on it. All right, so the rate of change, you need to find the slope because it's not proportional. It doesn't have a K value, so you have to do 2 ordered pairs, and you'll get it through that. That's it.